Looking to upgrade your tool collection? DEWALT has built a reputation for durability, performance, and innovation, making their tools a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. In this video, we'll highlight the best DEWALT tools that should be in every toolbox, whether you're tackling home improvement projects or professional jobs. From power drills to versatile vacuums, DEWALT's lineup offers tools designed to deliver results. Stick around as we dive into the must-have items that will help you work smarter and more efficiently, ensuring you're always ready for whatever the task demands. DEWALT DCS334B Drill Driver. No DEWALT Power Tool collection is complete without the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR drill driver. Compact, powerful, and designed for precision, this drill is a game-changer for professionals and DIYers alike. At just 6.37 inches, it fits effortlessly into tight spaces, making it an essential tool for overhead or confined work. Its brushless motor delivers up to 2,000 RPM, ensuring smooth, efficient drilling through various materials. The 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck provides superior bit retention, preventing slips during demanding tasks. Need control? The 2-speed transmission, 0 to 650 or 0 to 2,000 RPM, adapts to any job, while the 3-mode LED with up to 70 lumens ensures visibility in dark workspaces. With two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a belt hook, this kit is a must-have addition to your DEWALT lineup. Reliable, durable, and built for performance, this drill belongs in every serious tool collection. DEWALT DCS334B Impact Driver. Imagine this. You're on a job site, driving screws into dense material, and you reach for the DEWALT 20-volt Max Impact Driver. This tool is a must-have for any DEWALT power tool collection, delivering power, precision, and efficiency in one compact package. The brushless motor provides extended runtime and durability, so you can tackle demanding tasks without interruptions. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for tight spaces, reducing fatigue during extended use. The 1/4-inch hex chuck allows for quick bit changes, keeping your workflow smooth. And when you're working late, the 3 integrated LED lights ensure maximum visibility, even in dark corners. With a 20-volt max battery, charger, and storage bag included, this kit is ready to go straight out of the box. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, the DCF787D1 belongs in your DEWALT lineup. DEWALT DCS570B Circular Saw. When you need power and precision for your cutting projects, the DEWALT Cordless Circular Saw delivers reliability and efficiency. This saw is built for professionals and serious DIYers, offering 5,500 RPM with a brushless motor that maintains speed under load. Its 2 9/16-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees handles a variety of materials with ease, while the bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees provides versatility for angled cuts. One standout feature is the electric brake, which stops the blade quickly after releasing the trigger, enhancing safety and control. The cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. As part of the DEWALT 20-volt Max system, it's compatible with your existing DEWALT batteries. If you're looking for a must-have circular saw that balances power, portability, and precision, the DEWALT Circular Saw is an essential addition to your DEWALT collection. DEWALT DCS334B Reciprocating Saw. When you're ready to tackle tough cutting jobs, the DEWALT Max Reciprocating Saw proves to be an indispensable tool. Its brushless motor offers 2.5 times more runtime, giving you the power and endurance to work through demanding tasks. The compact design, just 14.5 inches in length, makes it perfect for tight spaces, allowing you to cut between studs and other hard-to-reach areas. With a variable speed trigger that delivers up to 2,900 strokes per minute, this saw provides the precision and control you need. The keyless 4-position blade clamp allows for quick blade changes, enhancing versatility for various cutting applications. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful, reducing user fatigue during long projects. The built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas, making it easy to see your cuts. Whether you're a professional or DIYer, the DEWALT Reciprocating Saw delivers the performance and convenience you need to get the job done. DEWALT DCS356 Oscillating Multi-Tool. Picture this. You're tackling a renovation project and need a tool that's both powerful and compact. The DEWALT Max Oscillating Multi-Tool is the solution to your challenges. With a brushless motor providing up to 57% more runtime than its brushed counterparts, this tool is built to last through your toughest jobs. Its 3-speed selector allows you to fine-tune the power based on the task at hand, whether you're cutting through wood or metal. The Quick Change accessory system lets you switch blades swiftly without any wrenches, saving time and effort. Plus, the universal accessory adapter ensures it works seamlessly with most oscillating tool accessories. Need precision in tight spaces? The built-in LED light ensures you've got perfect visibility, even in dark corners. Lightweight yet efficient, the DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool is your go-to tool for every project, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. DEWALT DCS334B Jig Saw. When you're tackling a project that requires precise, smooth cuts, the DEWALT Max XR Jig Saw will quickly become your go-to tool. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, this brushless motor-powered jig saw ensures smooth performance with up to 3,200 strokes per minute. The variable speed control gives you the flexibility to adjust the cutting speed, allowing for more precision on different materials. Its compact design provides easy handling, making it a breeze to navigate tight spaces. The 4-position orbital action gives you full control over the cut quality, while the all-metal keyless blade clamp lets you change blades quickly, no tools needed. With a built-in LED light, it's easy to work in dimly lit areas, and the integrated dust blower keeps your work area clean. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing tool, this jig saw will not disappoint. DEWALT DCS334B Angle Grinder. If you're working on a project where precision and safety are key, whether it's cutting metal, grinding, or polishing, the DEWALT Angle Grinder is the tool you'll want by your side. Designed for power and safety, this brushless grinder delivers smooth, efficient performance with its quick-stop brake, halting the wheel in under 2 seconds. That's a huge plus when you're dealing with intense grinding or cutting tasks. The kickback brake adds another layer of security by stopping the wheel if it senses a bind-up or pinch. Plus, the E-switch protection prevents accidental starts after a power interruption, ensuring safe operation. Lightweight and compact, the grinder offers excellent control and maneuverability, making it ideal for both DIYers and pros. With a 2-stage trigger and easy blade changes, it's a reliable tool that helps you get the job done right, without any hassle. DEWALT DCS334B Orbital Sander. If you're looking for a sander that delivers precision and performance, the DEWALT Max Orbital Sander is a solid choice. This tool's brushless motor ensures longer runtime and efficiency, perfect for tackling various sanding projects. The variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, lets you adjust to the needs of the material or task at hand. Its low-profile design makes it easy to get close to the surface, delivering smooth, even results. Quick and easy sandpaper changes are possible with the replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad. The dust-sealed switch extends the life of the tool, while the comfortable texturized rubber grip reduces fatigue during extended use. For those who need efficient dust management, it's compatible with DEWALT Dust Collector, ensuring a cleaner work area. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this orbital sander is a must-have for quality sanding jobs. DEWALT XR Leaf Blower. If you're tired of dealing with messy leaf blowers that lack power or control, the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR leaf blower will be a game-changer for you. Whether you're clearing the driveway, patio, or yard, this blower delivers impressive power with up to 450 CFM of airflow and 125 mph wind speed, thanks to its innovative axial fan design. The ergonomic, lightweight build makes it easy to handle, reducing strain during use, while the variable speed trigger offers precision and control. Plus, the high-efficiency brushless motor ensures extended runtime and long-lasting durability. It's a quiet performer, operating at just 62 decibels, making it ideal for noise-sensitive areas. With the included concentrator nozzle, you can focus the airflow for stubborn debris. If you need a reliable, high-powered leaf blower, the DEWALT Max XR is a must-have addition to your tool collection. DEWALT DCS334B LED Work Light. If you've ever worked in dim lighting or needed a reliable light source at your job site, the DEWALT Max LED Work Light is the tool you didn't know you needed. With 3 bright LEDs offering 1,000 lumens on high and 300 lumens on low, this light provides just the right amount of brightness for any task. The 140-degree pivoting head is a game changer, allowing you to direct light precisely where it's needed, whether you're working on the floor or above your head. Plus, the built-in telescoping and rotating hook make it easy to hang from materials, giving you hands-free lighting. The over-molded lens cover adds durability, protecting your light from job site wear and tear. Compatible with DEWALT's 20-volt max battery, this work light is perfect for anyone needing versatile and portable illumination for their projects. It's practical, durable, and a must-have for any toolkit. DEWALT DCD996B Cordless Hammer Drill. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful drill, the DEWALT XR Cordless Hammer Drill is a solid choice. This drill is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor that provides up to 75% more runtime than traditional 18-volt nickel-cadmium motors, making it ideal for long workdays. The 3-speed settings, 0 to 450, 0 to 1,300, 0 to 2,000 RPM, give you flexibility for different applications, from drilling into wood to tackling tough concrete. The 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck ensures a secure fit for bits, while the carbide inserts offer improved bit gripping strength. Its 3-mode LED light is a game changer, offering bright illumination in dark workspaces. Plus, the LED spotlight mode keeps your workspace lit for up to 20 minutes. This tool is built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. Just keep in mind, the battery and charger are sold separately. DEWALT DCV581H Wet Dry Vacuum. When it comes to keeping your workspace clean and organized, the DEWALT Wet Dry Vacuum is a must-have in any tool collection. Offering both cordless and corded operation, this vacuum gives you the flexibility to tackle any cleanup job, no matter the location. Its 2-gallon tank effortlessly handles both wet and dry debris, while the 5-foot heavy-duty hose reaches into tight spots for thorough cleaning. The included accessories, such as a crevice tool and wide nozzle, make cleaning corners, edges, and larger areas quick and efficient. The washable, reusable filter ensures easy maintenance, and with onboard accessory storage, everything stays neat and accessible. Weighing only 16 pounds, it's highly portable, making it perfect for everything from home renovations to professional job sites. Whether you're dealing with a construction mess or a small spill, the DEWALT Wet Dry Vacuum delivers powerful, hassle-free cleanup every time.